It was a peaceful Ramadan morning. The sun slowly rose over the city, painting the sky with soft, golden colors. People were starting their day with prayers and kindness. Some were reading holy books, while others were preparing food for their families. Rogan stood on his small balcony, looking at the sky with a calm smile. He loved Ramadan because it reminded people to be patient, grateful, and kind to others. Just then, Elina arrived, carrying a small basket filled with food for iftar preparations. Baby Tiger followed behind her, happily jumping and wagging his tail. The three friends laughed together and decided that today they would spend their time helping others, because Ramadan was the perfect time to spread kindness. Later that afternoon, something unusual happened. The bright blue sky suddenly began to glow with a strange light. People stopped walking and looked up in surprise. A large spaceship slowly appeared above the city. Everyone became nervous and confused. Rogan, Elina, and Baby Tiger watched carefully as several aliens stepped out of the ship. They did not look scary, but their faces were serious. The alien leader announced that they had come to Earth because they believed humans were forgetting kindness and becoming divided from one another. Fear began to spread among the people. Rogan realized that the aliens were not attacking out of anger, but out of misunderstanding. He turned to Elina and said that if the aliens thought humans were bad, they needed to show them the truth. Elina nodded with confidence and suggested they start a kindness mission. Baby Tiger jumped excitedly, ready for adventure. Together, they decided that they would not fight the aliens with power, but instead teach them through good actions and compassion. The friends began helping people around the city. They helped an elderly man carry heavy bags home. They guided a small child safely across the street. They saw people going to different places of worship, some going to pray at a mosque, others heading to a church, and others visiting a temple. Rogan gently explained that people may follow different paths, but everyone wants peace and goodness. The aliens quietly observed everything from a distance, watching how humans cared for one another. The alien leader became confused. They had expected conflict, but instead they saw cooperation and kindness everywhere. The aliens approached Rogan and asked why humans helped each other despite their differences. Elina smiled warmly and explained that differences do not create enemies, they create opportunities to learn from one another. The aliens began to question their earlier judgment about Earth. As evening arrived, the call to prayer echoed across the city. Rogan invited everyone, humans and aliens alike, to join an iftar gathering. People sat together sharing food and water. Everyone helped serve one another with smiles. The alien leader watched carefully and realized that Ramadan was not only about fasting, but also about empathy, generosity, and unity. Baby Tiger offered food to one of the aliens, and for the first time, the alien smiled. The alien leader explained that their own planet once lived in harmony, but later they became divided and lost their peace. That was why they feared Earth would face the same fate. Rogan told them that mistakes are part of every world, but learning and improving is what truly matters. Elina added that respect between people makes a world stronger than any technology or power. The aliens began to understand humanity differently. Rogan and his friends showed the aliens more of the city. They saw people giving charity, children from different backgrounds playing together, and neighbors helping one another without expecting rewards. The aliens realized that observing from far away had given them the wrong impression. The real Earth was filled with kindness that could only be understood by experiencing it closely. Finally, the alien leader spoke with a peaceful voice. They admitted they were wrong about humans. Humans were not weak because they were different, they were strong because they cared for each other. The spaceship's bright lights softened, and the aliens decided not to attack Earth. Instead, they promised to protect peace wherever they traveled. The people of the city cheered with relief and happiness. As night fell, the spaceship slowly rose back into the sky. Rogan, Elina, and baby Tiger watched as the stars shimmered above them. Rogan said that the world is saved not by strength alone, but by kindness and understanding. Elina added that when everyone respects each other's beliefs and lives, like brothers and sisters, the world becomes a better place. The narrator's voice closed the story gently. We may be different, but we all share one world, and kindness makes us one family. The camera slowly zoomed out to show a peaceful Earth glowing under the stars.